Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stock Rover to your brokerage account data, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Stock Rover to your brokerage account data, start by logging into your Stock Rover account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled brokerage accounts or data connections. Click on this option to access the brokerage connection screen. You will see a list of supported brokerages. Find and select your specific brokerage from this list. Each brokerage may have different requirements for connection, so refer to any instructions provided on the screen. Most brokerages will require you to log in using your account credentials. Enter your username and password for the brokerage account carefully. Ensure that you are using the correct login information to avoid connection issues. Some brokerages may offer a two-factor authentication process for added security. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete the two-factor authentication steps. After successfully logging in, return to Stock Rover. You should now see a confirmation that your brokerage account is connected. Stock Rover may take a few moments to pull in your account data. Once the data has been imported, you can start analyzing your portfolio. Use the tools available in Stock Rover to view your investments and financial metrics. Make adjustments to your settings if necessary, based on the data imported. If you encounter any issues, check your brokerage's website for troubleshooting tips. You can also revisit the connection settings in Stock Rover to make corrections if needed. For optimal performance, reconnect your account periodically to ensure data accuracy. This completes the process of connecting Stock Rover to your brokerage account data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.